All right, George Jimmy Sports Cards here. We're doing a case of select 14, 15 select, guys. Pick your team number 15. Good luck, good luck. All right, guys. Box number 1. Good luck. Select basketball. Oh, do I see a gold already? We have a gold in the first box. Looks like it. Good luck, guys. Box number 1. Mars Stoudemire, Knicks. Rajon Rondo and Damian Lillard on the Prisms. Giannis. Let's get some focusing here. And number to 199, Kyle Singler for the Pistons. Jersey autograph. Howard and the Pistons. 76 of 199. Tie-dye, good luck. For the Clippers, C.J. Wilcox, tie-dye. Clippers is Hansen 201. That's 15 of 25. 15 of 25. Norris Cole, Jeff Teague, Prisms. Josh Smith. Dummy card. Tony Parker. Jody Meeks. Pistons. 195 of 199. Tony Parker. James Young. And Mitch McGrady for the Thunder. Mitch McGrady. Cyrus and the Thunder. 27 of 99. What was that gold? Coming up? Oh, it wasn't gold. What a fake out. Markel Brown for the Nets. 98 to 199. Moses Malone. And number to 49, Copper, Paul George and Roy Hibbert for the Pacers. Zon 27 and the Pacers. Last team taken, getting a hit. 2 of 49. Pacers on the board. Last team taken. Box number 2. Wow, he wasn't even in the room and he's getting hits. Not even in the room. First bases? No, I've got a few of them, man. Pacers usually some of the guys who just want to hit for some kind of low parallel buy up Pacers. Darren Collison. Ursan Ilyasova for the Bucks, 2 of 249. Chris Mullin, Warriors. And number /99, Corey Jefferson jersey for the Nets. Jupe and 11. 23 of 99. Bojan Bogdanovic. Ben McLemore. And for the Lake Show, Rick Fox. Look at that. Jovel. Getting a Rick Fox autograph. 48 of 49. Tony Parker. And number /149 for the Spurs, Kawhi Leonard and Danny Green. For Pierre and the Spurs, KT Sports Cards. Jamal Crawford. Jabari Parker, that's nice. For the Bucks, blue. 69 of 199. DeMar DeRozan, Jared Jack on the Prisms. Gary Payton. Larry Sanders, blue. 111 of 249. Fareed and Tiago Splitter on the Prisms. There's box number 2. Box number 3. Box 3, guys. Good luck. You got LeBron. And number 25, tie-dye. 2 patches, 1 being 1 color. 2 on the Kemba. Michael Kidd, Gilchrist, and Kemba Walker. For the Hornets and BKBG. That is 6 of 25. Tie-dye patch. Danilo Gallinari. Kelly Olynyk and Rudy Gay, Prisms. And then next hit goes to the Nuggets, Mohamed Abdul-Rauf. Nuggets, JPR T80, Justin. And the Nuggets. Green, good luck. Good luck, good luck. Who's it going to go to? Celtics. Nice. Marcus Smart and the Celtics. Green. Numbered 2/5. 5 of 5. Celtics and Cyrus. Wow. Cyrus, congratulations. 5 of 5. Nice one there, Cyrus. Valanciunas and Blake Griffin. Steven Adams. Patty Mills. Chris Paul Blue. 242 of 249. Grant Hill. Dwayne Wade. And number 35. 21 of 35. Kyle Korver for the Hawks. Finn Diz and the Hawks. 21 of 35. No, Kyrie Blue as well. Not a bad box. 158 of 249. On the Kyrie. DeMarcus Cousins. And to 199, Clay Anthony early jersey for the Knicks. Super breaks in the Knicks. Kevin Durant, Josh Smith, and /99 Jarnell Stokes and the Grizz. Die cuts autograph. Findiz and the Grizz. Joakim Noah and the Bulls. Die cut blue. Draymond Green for the Warriors. 45 of 199. Ty Lawson and Steph Curry Prisms. Red Tony Parker for the Spurs. 29 of 149. Julius Randle. Carmelo. Prism. Sharif Abdur-Rahim and Jose Calderon Prisms. And we got for the Nuggets, Kenneth Faried Blue. 193 of 249. Mason Plumlee. And points. 600 points. So there'll be a random at the end for the points card. Oh, those points. So whoever had the Bucks, Chupin 11. Sorry about that, man. Most likely that was a Jabari. Most likely. I don't know. Not sure what other player would that be. No Kings yet, PK. No Kings yet. I don't think I called out your name. Amari Stoudemire, the Knicks. Zach LaVine, Chris Paul, Prisms. Rodney Hood and the Jazz. Magic Johnson, blue, die cuts. 60 of 199. Jody Meeks and Jose Calderon. Vince Carter. Russell Westbrook. And to 40, Jeff Green and the Grizz. To 40. Findiz and the Grizz, 33 of 40. Just missed jersey number by 1, I believe. Jeff Teague for the Hawks, red. 135 of 149. Archibald. Your next hit to 149 goes to the Bulls. Joakim Noah and Jimmy Butler. Hanson and the Bulls. 132 of 149. Russell Westbrook. Luol Deng. Blue. 121 of 249. Marcus Smart. And 91 of 99, Russ Smith for the Grizz. There's a Grizzlies card, not a Pelican. Russ Smith. Findiz and the Grizz. Grizz getting a few hits there. Next box. Good luck, guys. Box number 6. JaVale McGee. Chris Paul, Kyrie Irving, Prisms. And Muhammad Abdul-Rauf for the Nuggets, our second one. JPRT 80. 3 of 199 on this one. That's jersey number at least. eBay 101. 3 of 199. Oh, our second green. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I hope it's for you. Our second green of the case. Those Rocket shorts. Heat shorts. He's a forward for the Heat. Luol Deng. Hansen and the Heat. 5 of 5. Hansen and the Heat. Our second green of the case. That's nice. 2 greens. Drummond, Exum, Prisms. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Kyrie Irving Red. 103 of 149. Kobe. Joel Embiid. And tie-dye. Look at that. 11 of 25 for the Suns. Nice. Dan Marley. 2-color patch autograph. Husker TV and the Suns. And it's 11 of 25. Nice box. Green and a tie-dye. Zach LaVine Red. 52 of 149. Chris Paul. Wow. Really? That's a nice box. Nice box. LeBron James and Kyrie tie-dye dual patches for the Cavs and Hawks in to win. 2-color and 3-color. That's a nice case. We're only halfway through. 13 of 25. Hawks in to win. Kemba Walker. Box number 7. Congrats on that one, Andrew. That's a nice one there. I don't know how you watch that girl. She's so annoying. So far 2 greens, some nice tie-dyes. A pretty good case so far. Let's get some top tier autographs. Case will be solid. Good luck, guys. Box number 7. Box number 7. Blake Griffin. Rajon Rondo. DeMarcus Cousins. Prisms. John Henson for the Bucks. And blue die cut Kevin Durant. 102 of 199. Kenneth Faried. Marcin Gortat. And 99 of 99 for the Hornets, Noah Vonleh. BKVG and the Hornets. Next hit right behind that, Julius Randle. And 4 of 49, copper parallel Muggsy Bogues. BKVG and the Hornets. Getting 2 of the hits on that one. Chandler Parsons red. 127 of 149. Jabari. And 44 of 75, DeMarcus Cousins and the Kings. PK 1919 in the Kings jersey. Josh Smith. Mitch McGary. Dr. J. Darren Williams for the Nets. Blue, 71 of 249. Next box, good luck, guys. And good luck, guys. Box number 8. Box number 8. Jay Crowder, Celtics. Ty Lawson. And number to 10. Number 210. For the Lake Show, we got some golds. Elgin Baylor. Jovel and the Lake Show. That's nice. That is nice. That's Jovel. Terrence Jones, blue, 61 of 249. Mike Conley. Michael Carter Williams, blue, 225 of 249. Iguodala and James Ennis for the Heat. Jersey, Hansen, 201 in the Heat. Marcus Smart, Tim Hardaway Jr. Latrell Sprewell. Julius Randle. And 40 of 75, Anthony Davis. Jetmint. Julius Randle. 32 of 99. Kevin Durant. Allen Iverson. Derrick Rose. It's a nice case so far. Gold, 2 greens, tie-dyes. All we need is a black. 101. Wow. Who was the who was the 101? Who was it? I kind of heard him, but I didn't really understand him. Really? Is that tie-dye? Another tie-dye. Good luck. Bradley Beal. And to 199, James Ennis for the Heat. Jersey autograph. Hansen and the Heat. Another tie-dye. Good luck. And for the Heat, Hansen. Get yourself some Dwayne Wade tie-dye. 17 of 25. Tie-dye, Dwayne Wade. Joel Embiid, Karl Malone. Dikembe Mutombo. And 23 of 49 copper parallel, Kawhi Leonard and Danny Green. K2 Sports Cards and the Spurs. Rigged. Marcus Smart. Wes Unseld, Nick Stauskas. LeBron James. Adrian Payne. And Dougie McDermott to 275 for the Bulls. For Hanson and the Bulls, Hanson 201. 93 of 275. Tony Ryan for the Sixers, 76 of 99. Paul George. Prism. Wes Unseld, 44 of 199. Dom John Rudez. Last parallel there. Three boxes left. Good luck, guys. Nick Buckets. No, I gotta go, man. I'll be on early tomorrow again, Justin, and I'll be on all night. I'm gonna be on early again tomorrow, and I'll be on all night. I'll probably be on like around the same time I was on today. So all the antique cases, all that good stuff, we'll push that stuff tomorrow. Bojan, Kevin Love. Jarnell Stokes, purple. 60 of 99. Tim Hardaway. And number to 199, PJ Harrison and the Hornets. BKVG and the Hornets. Gerald Henderson, Hornets as well. 6 of 199. Oh, another tie-dye. Good luck. For the Wizards, Marcin Gortat and Zero Cool. 23 of 25. You did it, Mike. You did it, man. Paul George. And number to 10 for the Nuggets. 4 of 10, Jusuf Nurkic. For the Nuggets, JPRT 80 Justin. Number to 10. That's number 4 of 10. Jamal Crawford. And number to 49, Dikembe Mutombo. Hawks and Rockets. Hawks is Finn Diz. Rockets. Jupin, so it'll be random, or second random. Glenn Robinson for the Wolves. Davis and English. Aaron Gordon. Kevin Martin. Chandler Parsons. 2 boxes left, guys. Good luck, especially for those who have not got a hit yet. Good luck, good luck. So I will add another case of Select in the store for tomorrow, guys. I will do a half case of classics as well. Half case of classics and hobby. Pick your team of Bowman for tomorrow too. So I'll load the store up either later tonight when I get home or tomorrow when I get up there. See what we can pull Justin here. Good luck, guys. Hit or is that goal? That's okay. Number to 99, 14 of 99, Larry Bird, jersey. Cyrus and the Celtics. Larry Bird. And the hit is one to the Celtics. Celtics doing well, man. Marcus Smart autograph, copper parallel for Cyrus. Got yourself a green and an autograph of Smart now. That's 7 of 49. Patty Mills, Kyrie Irving. Orange, Nikola Vukovic for the Magic. 4 of 60. Vukovic. Kevin Durant. Ray Allen. Number to 199, Dwight Howard. Magic and Rockets. KTM Racing with the Magic. Rockets is Jupin 11. Another random. J.R. Smith. Our red is Doug McDermott for the Bulls. 62 of 149. Copper parallel. Sean Kemp for the Thunder. Oklahoma City Thunder is Cyrus. 30 of 49. James Harden. Drummond. Blake Griffin. And Rudy Gay and Exum on the Prisms. Last box, guys. Good luck. We got 3 randoms to do so far. Good luck, good luck. Last box of the case. Orange, Carmelo for the Knicks. Super breaks in the Knicks. 16 of 60. Melo. Paul Millsap. DeMar DeRozan, Nate Thurmond. Greg Monroe. PJ Harrison for the Hornets. 11 of 249. PJ Harrison. Kyrie Irving orange. 41 of 60 for the Cavs. Hawks in to win. DeMarcus Cousins. DeMar DeRozan. And Darren Collison. Steven Adams. And for the Grizzlies, Mike Conley. Findiz and the Grizz. Last little stack left. Is that gold or auto? Auto. Number to 49. Shaq. Lakers and the Magic. Copper parallel. Young Shaq, old Shaq. Magic is KTM Racing. Lakers are Jovel. Nice Shaq there. That'll be random. And the last hit. Good luck. Who's it going to go to? The Grizzlies. Vince Carter. Grizzlies and Findiz. Copper parallel. Pretty nice. Vince Carter. Freaking Grizzlies. And Jeremy Lin and Tyson Chandler. Yeah, for our points case, that was a pretty good case. Thanks, you guys. The next video will have the randoms up.